Next, we have to study the simplification of fractions. That means some operations are coming together. We are calling it as simplification. Here off and addition are coming together. We have to simplify this question. We know that BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule is bracket we have to do first. O means off, D means division, M is subtraction, M is multiplication, A is addition, and finally subtraction. BODMAS rule. Last class I explained, gave the notes also. Now we can solve here. Off and addition are there. This off and addition. So first do the off. That is, off means multiplication. 3 by 4 plus 4 by 5. Do this multiplication first. Multiplication step is common number is there means you can cut. Multiples are there means that also you can cut. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 3 and 3 we can cut. This will become 1 by 2 plus 4 by 5. Now addition of two fractions. How to add these two fractions? Denominators are different, so it is unlike 2 and 5, take LCM. LCM is 2 5s are 10. So make it as 10 in denominator. 2 into 5, 1 into 5. 4 by 5, make it as 10 in denominator, 5 into 2, 2 into 4 into 2, 8. Then add this 2. 5 by 10 plus 8 by 10. That is 13 by 10. 13 by 10 we can write as 1, 3 by 10. This is the answer of this simplification. Yes, simplify 2 by 3 into bracket 3 minus 4 minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Here also we have to use BODMAS. First check bracket is there or not. Yes, here is the bracket. That you have to do first. Then multiplication, division are there. Division do next. Afterwards multiplication. So first do the bracket. 3 by 4 minus 1 by 8. Denominators are different. Take the LCM of 4 and 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. Or 2 and 2 you can divide like this. LCM is equal to 4 into 2, 8. 1 by 8, no need to change. 3 by 4, we have to change as 8. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 into 2 is 6. Then 6 by 8 minus 1 by 8. 6 minus 1, 5 by 8. So this is 5 by 8. So we have to solve this. This we have to solve. So this answer we know now. You got 5 by 8. That is 2 by 3 into 5 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. Next, division we have to do. Division means this division we have to do. That means 5 by 8. Take a reciprocal of 3 by 4 is 4 by 3 and multiply. Left side is always, left side number is 2 by 3. Then all these are multiplication itself. You can directly multiply that. Then here any cancellation is coming means you can cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8. 2, 2. 5, 3, 3. There is no other number to cut. 5 into 1, 5. 3 into 3, 9. 5 by 9. This is the simplification of this question. Clear now? See the next question. Question number 7. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 7 by 8 divided by 1 1 by 4. How to do this? So many operations are here. Addition, multiplication, division, subtraction, multiplication, division. We know BODMAS rule. Bracket is not there. Off is there. Off is also not there. Division is there. Yes, here is the division. So divide this first. Then multiplication. Multiplication, here is one multiplication. Here is another multiplication. Okay. So 7 by 8 divided by 1 by 4. 7 by 8 into 1 into 4. 4 plus 1. This is 5 by 4. Taking reciprocal 4 by 5. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. This is 7 by 10. Then do this multiplication next. That is 2 by 3 into this answer 7 by 10. 2 by 3 into 7 by 10. 2 ones are 2, 2 5s are 10. Then 1 into 7, 7, 3 5s are 50. This answer is 50. One more multiplication is there that you have to do. 1 by 2 into 2 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2 into 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 by 2. This is 5 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 2, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 4. That multiplication also did. Then addition and subtraction is there. We can rearrange this question as 3 by 4 plus that answer is 5 by 4 minus this answer is 7 by 15. Then we have to simplify this. 4 and 4 denominator same, they are like. So 5 plus 3 8 by 4 minus 7 by 15. 8 by 4 is 2. 2 minus 7 by 15. Then LCM 2 divided by 1. 2 into 15 is 30 minus 7 by 15. 30 minus 7 is 23 by 15. 23 by 15 we can write in mixed form also. That is 23, 15, 15. Then 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5, 8. Then 1 minus 1, 0, 8. 1, 8 by 15. 1, 8 by 15. This is the simplification of this question. Next question is 9th one. 108 divided by 36 of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 into 3, 3 by 4. Here also many operations are there. Division, of, addition and multiplication. Bottom as we know. Bracket is not there. Of is coming. So we have to do this operation first. That is 36 of 1 by 3. It's equal to 36 into 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. This is 12. Instead of this we can write 12. Then division, addition, multiplication. Division we have to do. 108 divided by 12. 108 divided by 12. So 108 divided by 12 is 9. 2 9s are 18. 9 plus 1 10. So 108 divided by 12 is 9. Next, this is a full operation we did. Rearrange this question as 9 plus 2 by 5 into 3, 3 by 4. Addition and multiplication is remaining. Multiplication do next. 2 by 5 plus 3 fourths are 12. 13, 14, 15. 15 by 4. Here this is multiplication. Then 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 5 ones are 5. 5 threes are 15. 3 by 2. So instead of this we can write 3 by 2. 9 plus 3 by 2. 9 plus 3 by 2 equal to 9 means 9 by 1. 2 into 9, 18 plus 3 by 2. 21 by 2. 21 by 2 is 2 tens are 20. 1 by 2. Mixed number 10 into 2, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2. This is the simplification of 9th question. Okay.